Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically continue numbering in Google Sheet. First, type the first two numbers in consecutive cells. For example, type 1 and 2 in cells A1 and A2. Next, select both cells that contain the numbers you just typed. You will now see a small blue square in the lower right corner of the selected cells. Click and hold that blue square. Then drag it down the column to fill in the rest of the cells. Google Sheet will automatically continue the numbering in sequence. Now, using the sequence formula, select the cell where you want to start the numbering. For example, typing is equal to sequence 8 will generate a sequence from 1 to 8. Click enter and Google Sheets will generate the sequence for you automatically. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.